So hey guys, welcome to the Average Coder, and it's day 9 of our journey to 100 points on GFG. Actually, I didn't want to make this series too long, so I decided to do a challenge. Today I will give a try to achieve 50 points on GFG, and I will solve these questions with proper planning. So what do you think? Is it possible? Tell your opinion in comment section. So here is our first problem, and as you can see my current score is 39. So our first problem is find the element that appears only once in sorted array. We will use XOR property to solve this. So let's solve it. Now let's submit it. Now we will solve uncommon character problem. So let's solve it. Now we are marking presence of each character as 0 in the hash table, which we have already made present. For each character of A, we are marking its presence as 1 in present. If a character of B is also present in A, then we will mark its present as -1. And if not, then we will mark it as 2. Now we are pushing all uncommon characters in result. Well, I know it's kind of impossible to record all the problem while solving it. So here's a trick. As you can see that my current score is 40 right now, and let me show you the current time. So as you can see, it's 6:26 of 10th July 2022. It's a proof that I have solved all the questions today, means I have followed all the rules for the challenge. So that's all. I am coming back after a few minutes. So okay.
One eternity later.
So guys, as you can see that it's 7:33 p.m. and as you can see that I have reached 52 scores. So I have successfully completed the challenge, and I know many of you thought that I will score 50 more points with my already existed points, that was 38. But no, I was talking about my total points, 50. So yeah, I have completed the challenge. So that's all for today, guys. I will come back with another challenge, and we will continue our journey to 100 points on GFG. So till then, keep coding, keep hustling.